Two of them. Look at that. To make it at least 8 inches. So down to this point.
So there you have it. This is the 5th frame saw that I've made, and they are always fun to do, but I've never done a scale tool before. So this was kind of interesting and a way to expand my experiences and try something a little new. So if you're ever worried about making something perfect and making something that is fully functional, maybe you should try making a scale model of it first and see how it comes together. This is a lot of fun to think through, and it was probably a little bit easier to make this than it was to make this. And for those of you who've been wondering, this is a collaboration with Barbie of all trades on Instagram, and he does some really, really cool things with Barbie. Actually has an entire shop set up with a scale Roubo bench, all of the chisels and planes, and actually does woodworking with scale tools and Barbie. It's really kind of interesting to follow, and some of the videos that come up on it, it's absolutely fascinating, and I had to get in on it and make something for his Barbie. So this is a 1/7 scale model of a 4-foot Roubo frame style. I kind of modeled it off of the kit that I got from Blackburn Toolworks for my personal one, and I love this saw. This does exactly what I wanted to do, but I wanted to make the model as if it were a 4-foot long saw as opposed to my 36-inch saw. So this was very enjoyable, and I might have to do model model tools more in the future, because this was actually a good experiment and a way to learn and try new things. And I think I might have to keep that up. So if you'd like to see more by that, let me know. Who knows what I'll build next, but yeah. So I hope you liked this. If you did, let me know those in the comments down below. And I do want to say thank you to all the patrons on Patreon and members here on the channel. People have clicked the join button and gone over to patreon.com. You are the ones who are making this channel happen, so thank you for that. If it wasn't for you, Wood by Wright would not exist. So thank you for helping keep the lights on and keep these videos coming. If you'd like to see more like this in the future, let me know. And I think that'll about do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Now Barbie and I have something in common. We've both been framed.